own higher self. Your own higher self is your greatest friend. Your own higher self retains the memory of all that you have learned, not only in this experience, but in that great sum of experience through which your true self has traveled on its path to where you are now. It has been written in your holy works that the Master known as Jesus came to declare the acceptable year of the Creator, the acceptable time for understanding of unity. At the beginning of your cycle, your people were unacceptable, for there was a great darkness, a great forgetting. For all the souls that had begun in this cycle at that time had to begin with total lack of memory, had to begin in the darkness of total illusion to rediscover independently and of free will all of the truths of the Creator, all of the truths and of love and brotherhood. All those things that separate the conscious awareness of the living soul from the instinctive rise of awareness of your animal life. And in the instinct to conscious awareness of truth, your people have labored long, for thousands of years, through many lives. You have worked to begin to express in a conscious manner your knowledge of unity. The Master, known as Jesus, came to declare that acceptable truth. He served as a perfect example. The Master, known as Jesus, came to declare that acceptable truth. He served as a perfect example. And those truths have become more and more acceptable to individual souls as the cycle has progressed. That acceptable year, my friends, draws nigh and is upon you. That which you're expressing at this time may well be your final expression within this cycle. It is time, as this instrument would say, to get it right. It is within the awareness of each of you to understand the pressures of the one who desires to pass the test at the end of the school year. There is a studying, there is a caring, a desiring that one's level of understanding may be acceptable. We ask, my friends, that as you turn to meditation, you turn with desire to understand fully that which is acceptable, that which is true. Many, many are the philosophies and the religions among your people that always, no matter what the disagreements and contradictions of what you may call dogma, always the ethical considerations remain constant. The ethics, that which is acceptable, do not seem to be in question, for action is the most expressive form of truth. Therefore, we ask you to meditate and seek that truth. And then go forth and enjoy. Allow that which is acceptable to the Creator to flow from you, to flow through you as you have received it in meditation. We are those known to you as Hatonn. Praise be our one infinite Creator. We thank you, one infinite Creator, for your love. We thank you, one infinite Creator, for your light. All is one.